Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I've got something a bit interesting to have a look at. So I'm on YouTube, which is a pretty common place for me to be, hence me making all these videos about it. And see, I'm uploading this video on the checks page, where it's got normally add subtitles, add end screen, and add end cards, or iCards I suppose, information cards that pop up in the corner. That end card should be the end screen. It's also this new one, add a quiz. I've never seen this before, so it must be relatively new, so that we could check that out and see what it actually is. Let's click add. So I guess it's more like a poll. Let's add a simple question. Okay. So we put a timer for where we want it to pop up. Answers. Explanation. So I think you'd want to do explanation. There's no actual title for the quiz. So it wouldn't make any sense to have two options, like option 1 and 2, if you don't actually have the corresponding question for it, which is a bit odd. So let's just fill it in. We'll say yes, no. That's what we're selecting to be the correct answer, so you have to have one answer to be correct. Maybe it's for if you speak verbally in the video and you ask a question to a quiz, like a pop quiz on something that you've previously talked about, try to give it a bit of engagement. What you're trying to do is just have them put the answer in, but even in that case it makes sense to have the actual question be up on the screen as well. So it asks, does the temperature of the water matter? We'll move that to 10 seconds in. And so you can have as many quizzes as you want all throughout the video. Oddly, you don't seem to be able to save it. Quiz 1 resolve the others, quiz 2. Yeah, the save button seems grayed out. Settings. See how that pops up. Doesn't even give you a preview of it, which is a bit of a problem. And the quiz now disappeared. And we've still got that. We've got the time. We'll set it back to 10 seconds. And it's still no way to actually save it. At least we'll drag it. Wait for it to get back up to it. And yeah, nothing. So it's pretty pointless if you can't save it. Don't know what the issue would be, because everything does seem to be filled in correctly. So we'll leave this video here. I've got this feature, it doesn't seem to work properly, and there's no way to get it other than discard the changes. So I guess we can't really do that at the moment. So hopefully they fix it. Has anyone else seen this feature? Has anyone else managed to get it to work and actually insert a quiz? Because I haven't seen it in any videos, but it's a pretty new feature so far. Let me know below. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts, ideas, views, and subscribe so you see videos like this in the future.